In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit memos with this QuickBooks Online tutorial. A credit memo in QuickBooks Online is a way to reduce what a customer owes you, usually because of a return, a discount you're giving after the fact, or a correction to a previous invoice. We'll walk through the process step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the main action button labeled New with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of the common transactions you create, like invoices, expenses, and of course, credit memos. When the menu opens, look for the section labeled Customers. Under that column, select Credit Memo. This tells QuickBooks you're about to create a document that gives your customer a credit rather than charging them more. Next, you'll choose the customer you want to issue the credit to. Use the customer drop-down at the top of the form and select the correct name. It's important that this matches the customer on the original invoice so the credit can be properly applied to what they already owe. Now, set the credit memo date. This is the effective date of the credit, and it affects your reports, so make sure it lines up with when the return or adjustment actually happened. You can also review or fill in other relevant details here, such as the billing address or terms, if needed. In the product or service area, enter the same items that appeared on the original invoice you are adjusting. Choose the correct product or service, then input the quantity and rate. QuickBooks will calculate the credit amount for you based on this information. This keeps your sales and inventory records accurate and mirrors what you originally billed. If there's anything you need to explain, use the notes or message field. This is a great place to describe why you're issuing the credit, such as a damaged item, a price adjustment, or a customer satisfaction credit. Clear notes help both you and your customer understand the change later on. When everything looks correct, you have two ways to finalize it. Click Save and Close if you just want to record the credit memo, or click Save and Send if you'd like to email a copy directly to your customer. And that's all it takes to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online.